The new 2013 Ram 2500 is redefining the word heavy duty with more towing capacity than ever before. The optional 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel offers up 385 horsepower with 850 pound-feet of torque and a maximum trailer tow capacity of over 17,000 pounds. That's more than the Chevy 3500 or the F350. And the Ram 2500 comes standard with an exhaust braking system. So come test drive the new 2013 Ram 2500 at Haddad Dodge in the Bakersfield Auto Mall.